day and it's nice and sunny. It weren't as nice last night because we had really heavy rains, and this is the result. I had to put a plank here just to enter the basement. This is the status of me trying to walk around in here. It's it's kind of flooded. It even knocked the wheelbarrow over. The hole I dug yesterday is filled with soft mud, and that means I'm going to take a break from working in the basement today. I could work down here like this, but I'm not. Instead, I'm going to head inside and do something else and let that dry up for a bit before I enter again. So I'm going to take the opportunity to start on a project I've been wanting to do for quite some time, and this is a segment that's actually sponsored by JLCMC, who have sent me not that dog but these 4 boxes. So I will start assembling these and take you guys along. Right, Jimmy? There we are. These are all the nuts and bolts and components I'll be using. I designed this about 6 months ago, and I obviously don't have a plan for it. It's fairly basic. It's based on just a basic structure, which I have on an iPad. So I'll use that as a reference. I remember I made some changes on the measurements of these, but all in all, it's fairly basic. But yeah, let's see. Cue, I guess, a very long time lapse of me putting nuts and bolts together. Or yeah, we'll see. I'll take this as it comes a bit. And yeah, this is, as I said, it's not gonna be finished very soon. It's gonna take a while. What on earth have I done? What is this contraption? Well, it's a racing simulator. It's something I've been wanting to do for quite some time, but I haven't had the space for it, but now I do. Unfortunately, I don't really have the time for it. It's not yet finished. It needs a steering wheel, it needs a pedal box, it needs a shifter, it needs a computer, and lots of other things, but it's a start, and it's going to be my little side project for the coming years, maybe. We'll see. It's not really a priority, but it's been a lot of fun to do something which hasn't been digging in the basement. If you have a side project, check out the links below for the website. You might be a little bit more technical advanced than I am. And if you have a project file, you can upload that with all your products and automatically order all your stuff. I'm not that person. I had to do it manually, point, click, add to cart, and checkout. Worked perfectly fine for me. So it's like any other website. and I just waited, and the things arrived at my doorstep, and then the assembly, which was a lot of fun. The quality is amazing, actually. All the bolts have been super high quality. It's super rigid. It's beautiful aluminium. Feels very premium. The plastic is fantastic. So yeah, I'm super happy. So check out the links below for the website, and I'm going to get back to the basement to do some digging and concrete work. I'm going to put my barriers back once I'm finished for today. We are expecting rain tonight and tomorrow, I think, if things doesn't change. So I've spent some time trying to clear out most of the mud. I'm going to leave that for now. Can't be bothered. I'll see if it dries out, but it's not great to walk on that. It's a bit wet. And all of this, I'll just leave it for now until it dries out a bit. It's very heavy. Cleared out that. It was just full. That's full. Can't be bothered. So this whole section of the basement is, it's off limits at the moment. So I'll focus on that bit. I do have some things to do here. I can do that. This whole section is perfectly dry. It's just here that the water entered. So basically all the way to that wall, full of mud here. That whole mud in. So I'll do that. I can do this piece here, and I can do that. So there are things to do. This won't stop me. So I'll finish this piece here. That's the probably one of the worst areas to be digging, because I need to get underneath there to be digging, and let's just say I can't wait. It's going to be fantastic, this. So I'll get going, and I guess cue time lapse number 300 of me digging. Okay. Boys are enjoying the sun, and I'm struggling in the heat, trying to do some digging. I guess it's never a good time for this kind of work. It's either raining or sun is shining, and I'm dying. So enough complaining. Let's get back to my favorite place. So I'm not sure where the rain went. We didn't get any, so I can remove these. It's which is good, I guess. Yeah, basement is it's as before. And yesterday I finished that underneath there, and today I will either do that one, which I'm leaning towards, or this one, which I'm not leaning towards, or I might do them both. Depends on my energy levels. I'm gonna start in here because that's a proper mess. So I'll get going. Yeah, I'm gonna spare you guys the problem. So let's do a little before and after instead. Next up is, yeah, extending this one. So I could do that piece as well, because apparently this wall is just zero importance. So yeah, that's good news. I'll get going. Oh yeah, we'll do one of these again. And another one. So last night we had really heavy rains again, and yeah, this might have helped a little bit. It's slightly wet over here, but yeah, not enough. Yeah, because this is the yeah, current status of the stables. So that's not great. God, I'm not sure what to do. I need to divert all of this water that's just lying on top of the clay so that I can enter the stables, because it's not possible at the moment. One option would be just to pour canal and pour it down there, which would not be great, because that would undermine the yeah, so we'll see. Yeah, that's the current status. I'm gonna have to deal with this in a bit. So what I'm trying to do is basically get rid of the water so I can enter the stables, and I'll just make a lake for now here. Hopefully that will work. Okay. It's better, but it's not good. Yeah, I'm gonna let this dry out. I'll deal with the water later. But yeah, this is what I'm working with at the moment. Doing some sort of Italian dream here. Yeah, good times. The sun is finally back out. Today I'm doing some sort of concrete work as usual. But before that, I thought I would do just a small recap of the layout of the basement. Actually, let's start out here. So, more or less, we are going to have a set of stairs down here and a door entering that way. This whole area will have a small hallway, a laundry room, a bathroom, and basically a boot room. And then there will be a door here that leads to a more or less like an extra, like a guest room. So believe it or not, but let's do that. This will be a guest room. There will be a wall here, so that whole piece will be covered. There will be a wall here, and with a door entering here. So there will be a small hallway here with a door here, and that door will lead into like the utility room for the water heating system, electrical system, etc. in here. So that little hallway that's going to go here will then lead into a hallway. That will be this one. That opening will be closed as well with a door here. That door will then lead into what will be a cinema room. And this cinema room will have a screen basically here. So I will do that as a hollow wall, so that I can put speakers inside a wall, etc. So this will be a cinema room. This will be the hallway. There will be a set of stairs here that we will lower, so that little section will be lowered. And there will be a new flight of stairs leading up to the house itself. That will be a wine basement, basically for a few bottles of wine. I'm not a big drinker, but it's a nice feature. And that will be a pantry for a freezer, food, cans, drinks, etc. So that's the layout of the basement. And this will be, this little area underneath the stairs will be for cleaning stuff, like a vacuum and mop, etc. So that's the plan, and this will be the stairs leading up to the villa. And these will be lowered because the height here is built for someone less than 1.5 meters, which is more or less not anyone at the moment. So yeah, that's it. This has dried up nicely, or decently. Decent enough to do some concrete work, and that's what's going to happen in the next episode. I have basically zero material left, so I need to place an order for that. Leave a comment down below, press like, press subscribe, send to your friends, and press the notification bell. Apparently that's very important. Also check out the links below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until next time, ciao.